Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen. To know how to fix or how to solve black screen app, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail app and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on first stop. Here you can click storage and then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, and if you will find update in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.